Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a cheesy keto pasta with you. Now I'm using edamame noodles because those are the only ones that are available ready-made in India, and I was so excited to see these. Now I have a couple of recipes in which I have made the pasta at home too, but in all fairness, it's not possible to make pasta as well as the sauce and then probably the side dishes like some vegetable and have a protein, so that sometimes doesn't become realistically possible for us. So if you guys have this pasta available for you, it's great because I think it's about 3 grams of net carbs per serving, which is not bad once in a way. So I've been enjoying this. Even when I order food from out and it's an Indian dish, I just use that gravy on the pasta. Try butter chicken with a pasta. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe. It's a quick recipe and you're gonna love this. So these are the edamame noodles, and this is fettuccini. So let me show you the nutritional information. It's about half a packet has 36 grams of total carb and 29 grams of fibers. So get 4 servings from each packet. So it's about 4 net carbs per serving. If you want, you can also use shirataki noodles. A lot of people don't like those, but those are like 0 carbs and 0 calories. So it's like eating nothing, but still you're full because it's got tons of fiber. So I think it's super healthy. If I was living elsewhere where it's available, I would use those. I have added the fettuccine in boiling water and 1 teaspoon of salt. I've cooked half a packet right now and this is ready. I'm going to take it, drain it, and this is what the noodles look like. So you can use any noodles you like. You can use shirataki noodles, as I said. I have a pan here where I put some olive oil and about 1 tablespoon of sliced onions, about 7 small cloves of garlic. So my garlic cloves are really small, so I chopped it and I've put it inside. And before all of this gets too brown, we are going to add some tomato puree. So this is a tomato puree that I make at home. I take off the seeds, pressure cook the tomatoes, and also take off the peels. You can use canned tomatoes or regular tomato puree if you want. Now to this, after it has dried up a little bit, I've added zucchini noodles, that is 1 cup, and then our noodles. And I'm going to let it be like that so that the zucchini gets slightly cooked. I'm also putting some shredded cheese on top. So this is A2 cow's milk cheese. You can use any cheese you like. Cheddar cheese works well. This was about half a cup. You can add more if you like. And this is some fresh cream. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of fresh cream, and this is a Szechuan sauce, or you can call it a chili garlic sauce. It also has some ginger. So I put 1 tablespoon. You can put a lot more. It is delicious as it is, and we love the flavor of that. I'm also adding some plain hot sauce because I wanted it to be a little more sharp. And this is again flexible. You can add as much as you want. I like a lot of it. And this is some chili oil. So if you don't have this, you can leave this out, but it is again delicious. And you can also top it off with a little more of the olive oil. I'm so glad to have edamame noodles in my life because it has opened up so many possibilities. Now I am eating some natto with it. I know a lot of you guys don't like it, and if you don't like the slimy texture, switch off right now. But it is extremely healthy and I find it very difficult to eat natto as it is, but I do eat it with a boiled egg. So much better with this kind of a dish, which is strong, pungent, cheesy, just like natto is. And enjoy. I hope you guys have liked the recipe and will try it out. If you do, let me know in the comments section. Also, click pictures and send it on my social media handles. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family, or anybody who tries to cut down on carbs, trying to eat low carb and trying to stay healthy. So let me know how you liked it, and thanks for watching. Bye.